Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to exchange mutual funds without triggering settlement violations in Vanguard. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to exchange Vanguard mutual funds without triggering settlement violations, you must ensure that you have enough settled cash in your account. So you need to make sure that you have enough cash or to cover any purchases and wait for the proceeds from your sale to settle before buying anything with those funds. A good faith violation occurs if you sell a security before the funds used to purchase it have settled. So to avoid this, you should either sell a different security, wait for the settlement period, which typically is 2 business days, but is moving to 1 day soon. So or you can also use a margin account, which is less likely to trigger these violations. So you need to check your funds available to trade, allow for settlement, and use the correct amount. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.